MoneyMum here, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm now going to take you around San Francisco and show you all the tips and tricks and money saving tips that you can do while you are there. Please like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss future videos. So first stop, we arrived at the Fairmont in San Francisco. Now I'd say this is a high-end hotel, but we didn't have to pay much for this at all. We built up our points with a company called Accor, and then you get money off your hotels. So this for us was only a few $100s for the 4 nights, but it's not a particularly cheap hotel. However, it is beautiful, and if you do want that lavish bit of luxury when you're away, I definitely recommend it. But it's part of all. If you haven't had a look at that website, it would be a really handy website for you to look at because you get money off. Wow.
We've got 2 beds, one for you and me, Mummy. One for you and Rosie, Daddy. Look at that.
My bird.
Oh, wowzers! Can I have a look? Oh my gosh, how lovely is that?
There's a car.
Oh, look at the view. Can we see the bridge? Auntie, you looking forward to your day? Yeah? The following day, we then got up and we took an Uber to the Exploiteria in San Francisco, but we also checked with Lyft. We can price comparison, and Uber was cheaper, so make sure you've got both of those downloaded before you go. Now, entering here, everything is included for us because we have bought a Go City Pass. If you don't know what they are, you need to look them up and look at getting one because you will save a fortune. Here's Adam checking in now, and he's got no extra money to pay. So we're at the Exploitorium, all around the museums. Again, we've bought our water bottles out with us and we're filling up. And this is cool. Look at this. You can actually do that. Yeah, it's water fountain. Good at it.
Why? Look at this.
Oh my God, what is it?
It's mechanism with a key. There's 2 keys in it.
Bronte, why are you so small? You need to allow a couple of hours in here. I've only shown you a small part of it. There was so much to do. What did you do? Not listen to your mum. That is a sentence on Alcatraz. You have been given 32 years.
What?
32 years.
That's someone stayed here for 26 years.
Yeah, you're getting 32 for not listening.
Oh,
sorry.
I don't know.
You'll be old when you come out. Keep walking. Keep walking, prisoner. Same age as me, nearly. Keep walking, prisoner. 532. Forgotten what number you were now. Go in then. You'd have to stay in there on your own. for about a month. The
They
door
used to
shut.
have a bed in there.
No, they didn't. That was it. You could honestly not make this up. We're in Alcatraz prison and he's handcuffed himself.
Gone. Somebody, they put the sign here that don't lock yourself because the key is gone. Somebody took the sign off. They pick you up tomorrow.
After that ordeal, I was having enough, so it was heading back to dry land and we went to the pier. It's absolutely beautiful here. There's loads of shops, bars, restaurants, something for absolutely everybody. It was really, really busy, but to be honest, I did actually like it. It gave it a really lovely atmosphere. The kids enjoyed running around and we was just deciding really on where to eat because you know what it's like when you're with your family, arguments over dinner. But we all decided the restaurant was going to be Bubba Gump. We've been before, the kids wanted to go again and I absolutely loved it too. And it's beautiful here, it overlooks the bay, so it's definitely one that I'd recommend. After dinner we headed down to look at the seals. I would definitely say to do this, it was really lovely. You want to get one? You can't get a seal.
It's so cute.
They are so cute.
The baby will do cute.
They're so cute, aren't they? Yeah. Oh look, there's our hotel over there. So then we came here. Unlimited biking in San Fran. This is part of the go-kart, so we're going to get one of these with a baby seat on the back for Bronte, and then obviously Adam and Brody are going to have this. You excited for today, Brode? Yeah. Yeah. And we're going to cycle. It's a long cycle, but it'll be worth it. You know I'm not into my fitness, but I love a bike ride. But I ain't getting up this hill. Oh my God. It's very hilly. But it's so worth it. It's literally stunning. See the Golden Gate Bridge there? So worth it. I can't, can you actually hear me? I'm dying. I'm turning this into a fitness account when I get on. Now, I don't like to brag at all, but I did actually make it to the top, but I've still got a long way to get to the bridge, so maybe I won't brag just yet. So we're about to cycle over the bridge. It's a long way here. They said 20 minutes, but I'm going to be honest, I think it's about 45 from the bike park. So here we go. Once we had completed that mission, we stopped for a coffee before the long cycle ride back to where we dropped the bikes off. You do need to allow plenty of time for this. This did take us a good couple of hours because we did have to stop. Obviously, Brody's only 10. There's me, who's totally unfit, but we stopped for a lovely little coffee that overlooked the bridge. We're now going to head on a submarine tour. Again, this is part of the Go Pass.
I know what I'm doing. And I'll go second. Oh my God. Whoa, what are you doing? I know what I'm doing. Imagine staying under the wall. Let's go to the other one. Oh, there's a bridge.
A warship. Look at her. You're doing that all right, Bronze, yeah? Every
Daddy,
time
look,
I'm
this
doing
is
it, she says.
Ah!
What is it?
It's hilarious. Look here. Look inside.
What's hilarious?
It's over.
Oh, it's dirty. Oh, I want to... This is the actual warship in World War
Look at this.
II. That's what they... Oh my God, can you feel the boat rocking?
What?
The water.
Beds.
This is the beds.
They're bunk beds.
Yeah.
Daddy, there's no pillow.
He's having a great time being 6'2".
There's no pillow.
No, I know.
Oh, right. That's a simple bed.
Yeah. Where are we going now?
Playing some checkers. What?
Oh, wow. It was just the kitchen.
Yeah. It is the kitchen.
Oh, this is, yeah, it's where they eat. God, can you feel the boat rocking?
It's like this.
This is the actual control room. The UK, this is MoneyMum coming from United States of America. Wow. This is such a us holiday. Random things. Most people just go and sit on a beach. Not us.
Congratulations to the commander of the 5th
Not us, Abrams.
and to forces
No.
under his command.
We cut that fairly short and got out of there because Adam was getting a bit claustrophobic and so was I. So we headed to Madame Tussauds. Again, this is all part of the Go Pass. Everything I've shown you that we've done other than Alcatraz is part of the Go Pass. Again, included in our Go Pass was the Discovery Bay where the children can interact with the animals. This was a lovely little afternoon spent here. So I would definitely recommend it, especially if you've got small children, to take them here. And I love seeing all the underwater activities anyway. After another long, tiring day, we decided to go for dinner. We went back to the pier and we went to the crab house. The food here was absolutely beautiful. However, I wouldn't say it was particularly cheap, but it was sort of middle of the road, but it was really nice. Day 3. Now, I didn't get loads of footage of this, to be honest with you. I was running around looking after the kids because there was so much to do here. Again, this is part of the Go Card, and this is the California Academy of Science. Now, the kids, again, loved this, and so did we. There's also a planetarium here. Brody absolutely loves museums. He will read absolutely everything. He's over there with Adam now. Miss Bronte's asleep. Jet lag is really getting to her. She's really, really struggling with it. But yes, there's loads and loads of floors, and there's also a planetarium here, which we're going to go and see too. We're going to go in a minute because you've done a lot of it. When we'd spent the whole morning there, we then jumped on the bus tour. This was great because it was hop on, hop off. So we were doing different locations. Again, this is part of the Go Pass. We really were just spending no extra money once we got there. We took packed lunches with us every day as well because we found all the museums and things. It's expensive when you go inside, but I loved seeing all like the houses out there and just all around it because obviously it's so exciting when you're in a new place. There's plenty of shopping here as well, and they've also got some of the really high-end shops for those of you that love that. Again, they showed you all the history of the city, took you around everywhere. It was really beautiful. We were really lucky as well because just look at this weather. It's so stunning. That's it from me, MoneyMum, for San Francisco. Please subscribe to my channel to watch our next video where the next stop we're going to head to is Honolulu in Hawaii.